Welcome to the Cala Builders Podcast. This is the brief on LA County faster rebuild tools. So LA County just rolled out fast-track permitting tools for homeowners recovering from the 2025 Eden and Palisades fires. And Cala Builders, a full-service design build team covering everywhere from Woodland Hills to Pasadena, is here to help you navigate it. First, let's dive into the 4 fast-track tools the county whipped up. You've got like-for-like rebuilds that skip some zoning steps, an eCheck AI pilot automating reviews in just 10 days for Altadena and Sunset Mesa, pre-approved plan catalogs for homes and ADUs, and self-certification for licensed architects. Think of these like a fast pass at a theme park. They get your paperwork through the line, but are they actually getting people back into their homes? Well, second, we really need to look at the massive gap between approved permits and finished construction. Permits are moving 3 times faster now, but less than 1% of destroyed homes are actually completed. Why? Because paperwork doesn't pour concrete. The bottleneck isn't the county anymore. It's a brutal 193-day average delay caused by contractor availability, material shortages, and insurance payouts. Finally, before drawing up any plans, you absolutely must confirm your specific fire zone and structure type. Picking the fastest tool doesn't mean a thing if it's the wrong tool for your lot, which is exactly why having an experienced contractor like Cala Builders in your corner from the start is non-negotiable. Navigating LA County's new rebuild tool successfully requires matching your exact property to the correct permit path before any design work begins. Whether it's an ADU, a hillside rebuild, or a custom home, Cala Builders has the expertise to bring your vision to life.